All right, great minds. Have you been seeing this type of pictures both on Facebook, both on WhatsApp, both on Instagram? People are changing their old pictures to this. Don't worry. If you can stay to the end of this video, I will show you the proven strategies that are used in getting this and the hack code of using this app over and over again without paying no more money weekly to generate more pictures. So if today is your first time of joining us, just click on the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell. Please, I would like you to do something for me. Just like this video for me so that YouTube can also recommend it for other people. This is the only way that you can help me in this channel. All right, so without further ado, let's get started. Hello guys, this is the voice of Ekendo Precious with another video again on how you can generate your AI. So if you want to do this, you just have to go to Play Store and search for Remini app, or your Apple Store, search for Remini app and download this app Remini. So I have it already. You can see it, I have it already. So once you open it, this is what you are going to see. Then just click on Get Started. Once you click on Get Started, then let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Accept all, continue. Just be accepting everything. Continue. 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 Just keep on pressing continue. Then give this phone access, yes. Then allow. Then click on generate. Then click on let's do it. Then I'm going to choose mail because the client I'm going to use the picture is a mail. Then after you have done it, then okay, got it. Then I'm going to be going to my gallery now. So I'm going to go to my gallery to get the picture I'm going to use for this generating of the AI picture. Alright guys, so you can select a selfie picture that has that the picture is almost just it takes almost 8. Then continue. Make sure that the picture, the eyes, you can see them, is very clear. Then let's wait for it. Then we're going to select a model that we'll use in generating the picture. Let's select the model that we will use. Let's select. Okay, let me use this. Okay, use this model for this image. All right, let's be going. All right, okay, let's wait for it. This is gonna take you pretty much time. All right, we are waiting for it. Okay, you can see right to save and left to delete. So if you didn't like anyone, you just click on left to trash it. So let's wait for it. All right, okay, all right, so I've saved this one. Okay, this is how you'll be choosing the one that you don't want, the ones that you love, the one you don't like. So just you can easily, and this is that it generates a video of how this thing is being done. So let me save the video. I will save it in my my phone. All right, you can see. So this is how to generate. So if you want to get this for free, this is what you do. Click on start for free. Start for free. You click on start for free. You can see. Once you click on start for free, then by that time you have put in your MasterCard details. I would like you, if you be using this at least 5 days, then you unsubscribe for it so that you be on a safer side. So that, because mainly you must use your card to access it. Then after you have used your card to access it, that first one, then you can equally unsubscribe for it so that to be on the safer side, so that you start using this this app again and again. You will not need to pay another money to come and do this thing. Just be watching till the end of this video so that you will learn how you can do that. All right, so let's just be following. So by the time you have done this, you will see that you're on a server side. So let's find another model so that we can generate another picture. Let me find another model that we are going to use so that we can generate another picture of this type. Okay, let me use this one. All right, let me use this one for the next one. Okay, let's wait for it. So if you be staying to the end of this video, I'm going to drop a bonus for you on how you can do that. So you can see we have generated another one. If it's what you like, you can equally save it. You can equally do. This is an update for graphic designers to start cashing out. I've made no less than 20,000 naira doing this for people. So you can equally start doing this and start making money as soon as possible with this stuff. So okay, let's be going. So that's it. You can equally save the video. That's what I do. So this is how you can be doing this. So thank you very much. So all right. Can see, and you only save the images so that. So this the client's picture that I used for this. Is the client's picture that I used for this tutorial. See that this is the this is the bonus tip for those that are still till now. Okay, so if you have done this, just come to that settings, that place, this place. Now click on it, then once you click on it, then restrict AI model. Yes, then you can start. This is the hard code. You can be using it without paying the AI again. You can use it. So thank you very much.